Nothing is gearing up for one of its biggest announcements yet, and all eyes are on the Ear 3 and the new Nothing OS 4. Carl Pei has already confirmed the launch, even sharing a teaser on X that shows the complete design of the upcoming earbuds. At first glance, the Ear 3 stays true to Nothing's transparent identity, but this version introduces significant refinements. The most striking change is the introduction of metal parts across both the earbuds and the charging case. These additions promise enhanced durability and a premium finish, though there is some concern that metal could heat up during long use. Still, the balance between aesthetics and functionality makes this update stand out. The Ear 3 has also undergone a subtle redesign aimed at comfort. The shape has been refined to provide a more natural fit, which could make extended wear far more enjoyable. In parallel, the antenna has been trimmed down to just 0.35 millimeters, a move that contributes to a sleeker look while supporting Nothing's pursuit of ultra-slim design. Inside, the engineering is tighter as well, with reduced gaps between components that result in a more compact and polished product overall. One of the more mysterious upgrades comes in the form of what Nothing calls a super mic. While details remain undisclosed, this feature is expected to improve voice clarity and call quality, areas that matter to users who rely on earbuds not just for entertainment, but also for communication. If this lives up to expectations, it could make the Ear 3 a stronger competitor in a crowded wireless earbuds market. Sustainability has also been factored into the equation. The charging case is now built entirely from 100% anodized, recycled aluminum, bringing both strength and eco-conscious design. Adding to the intrigue is a new button labeled Hawk on the front of the case. Although Nothing hasn't explained its function, speculation suggests it could activate an AI assistant, with rumors pointing to a possible ChatGPT integration, marking a bold step toward blending hardware and AI. While the company has revealed much about the design and construction, the full performance specifications remain hidden for now. Details about drivers, battery life, noise cancellation, and connectivity will likely be disclosed at the official launch. The big event is scheduled for September 18th at 1 p.m. BST, 8 p.m. IST, when Nothing will showcase the complete package. Alongside the Ear 3, the company is also preparing to unveil Nothing OS 4, which has been teased with a redesigned interface and an AI-centered focus. This new direction suggests a deeper push into intelligent, personalized experiences across the Nothing ecosystem. With its mix of refined aesthetics, sustainable design choices, and possible AI-powered features, the Ear 3 has all the ingredients to be one of Nothing's most significant launches to date. Together with the upcoming OS 4, the brand is signaling a clear intent to elevate both hardware and software in 2025. The official release is set for September 18th, with pricing expected to remain competitive within the premium segment, making this launch one of the most anticipated in Nothing's journey so far.